Now I will be demonstrating steps of hematoxylin and eosin staining. Once the section has been taken on the slide has to be put into 3 jars containing xylene for 2 minutes each. Jar number 1, jar number 2, jar number 3. Keeping the slide in jar number 1. Now after keeping the slide in xylene for 6 minutes, the next step is of hydration, which is also called as bringing down section to water. In this step, the slide has to be kept into 3 jars containing alcohol for 2 minutes each. That is 100% alcohol followed by 80% alcohol followed by 70% alcohol. Now putting the slide into 100% alcohol. Now next step is of washing, in which the slide has to be washed under running tap water for 5 minutes. Now after washing the slide, it has to be kept into Ehrlich's hematoxylin for about 15 to 20 minutes. Next, the slide has to be washed under running tap water for 5 minutes. Now the next step is of decolorization, in which the slide has to be dipped once into 1% acid alcohol and again kept under running tap water for 5 minutes. Now the next step is of bluing, in which the slide has to be dipped twice into Scott's mixture and again kept under running tap water for 5 minutes. Next step is of counter staining, in which the slide has to be dipped twice into 1% eosin, followed by next step of dehydration, in which the slide has to be kept in 3 jars containing increasing concentration of alcohol for 2 minutes each. The first is 70% alcohol followed by 80% alcohol followed by 100% alcohol. Now after taking the slide out from the 100% alcohol, we have to blot it on the Wattmann's filter paper. And clean the slide a bit. Now heating the slide to get rid of extra water. Then dipping it into xylene. Then we have to put BPX solution onto the cover slip in order to mount the slide. We have to mount it like this. This is how the slide will look after mounting. Then we have to label the slide with its appropriate biopsy number. This is a HND stain slide.